To begin using PowerAI, you need to ensure you have an ArcGIS account, either through your organization or through Buzz, which will be assigned to you upon registering for the platform. Head to the Settings page and toggle on Authenticate ArcGIS. Click on the button. Enter in your ArcGIS app client ID. Sign into ArcGIS. This will connect your map account to the platform. Head back to the Project tab. Click on Add Project. Fill out the name of the inspection, the date, the reviewer, the inspection type, the location, and a description. You can select the nearest city to your inspection site. If you already have an ArcGIS map you want to use for this inspection, enter an ArcGIS feature server URL. You can edit or delete your project here or enter into the project. The second step in the inspection process is to enter in your structures. In the Structures tab, you can import structures via a CSV file. Select Import Structures. Download the CSV template. Make sure your CSV file follows the template with the structure name, lat, long, and any notes associated with each structure. Choose your CSV file to upload. You can also manually enter in your structures by selecting Add Structure. Enter in the name of the structure, longitude, latitude, and any notes. The third step in the inspection process is to upload your images to their respective structures and process the images. Select Upload Files or Upload Folders. Select the structure you want to upload to. Repeat this process until all images are uploaded. Select Start Upload. Select Images. Select the images you wish to process. You can filter by process status or structure. In this case, we will select all images and click on Process Images. Click on OK to be taken to the AI Processing tab. In the AI Processing tab, you can see all the images in your inspection in the image carousel. The colors represent the severity associated with each image. The severity is set by the highest severity label found by our AI model. You can filter the images by their overall severity level or by structure. Select an image or images to download or delete. The map shows the location of the structures. Select a map marker to see the images in the structure represented on the map. You can select a label on the image to see the details of the label. Toggle on and off Show Labels to get a clear view of the image. Toggle left and right through the images using the arrows. Select Full Screen to open a tab with a large view of the image. To see the data associated with the selected image, select Inspection Details. Select Edit to edit the reviewer and the severity of the image. To go back to viewing all images, select Clear Filters. Select Annotate to enter human in the loop. You can see a general overview of all the labels within the image. Select a label to edit the name and severity or delete the label. You can zoom in and out using the zoom keys, filter by severities, or toggle on and off the labels. To create a new label, click and drag to create a rectangle around the item of interest. Click the Label drop-down to select your label. Click the Severity drop-down to select the severity. You can also create labels using the Polygon tool. Click to create your first line of the polygon. Click to create each point of the polygon. Double-click on the last point of your polygon to complete it. When you're done inspecting the AI-created labels, select a thumbs up to indicate that the AI-generated labels were accurate, or a thumbs down to indicate that the labels were not accurate. It is highly encouraged to mark the image to be added into the retrain batch after a label is added or adjusted. Any images selected will be used to retrain your AI model. This helps to tailor the model to find what is most important to you and improve accuracy based on the changes you've made to the labels. Select Save Changes to save your edits. Note that exiting out of HITL or going to the next image automatically saves your edits. In Human in the Loop, you can manage labels by selecting Labels. Here you can see an overview of all the labels, their abbreviations, and their severity. Click on the three dots to edit or delete a label. Select the plus to add a new label. Enter in the name, abbreviation, and severity associated with your new label. You can also manage labels via the company page and by selecting Labels. To move images to different structures, select the Structure tab. Select the three dots on the structure that contains the image you wish to move. Select View. Here, you can see an overview of the images within the selected structure. Click on the thumbnail to see an enlarged image. Select the image or images you wish to move. Select Actions and Move Structure. Select the structure you want to move the images to. You can also download and delete the images from this view. To integrate your inspection results into your workflow, head to the Reports tab. Select Download Reports. Select the report type. You can download your report via CSV, PDF, Excel, or JSON. Name the file and hit OK. The files have all the data and images associated with the inspection. In the Company tab, you can manage users and teams. The Users tab has an overview of all users. To create a new user, select the plus. Enter in the new user's first name, last name, and email. If the user wishes to use 2FA with their phone, enter in their country and phone number. Once the user is added, they will receive an email to register their account and access the platform. You can delete users and disable users from using the platform. Update their roles from admin to user. In the Teams tab, you can see an overview of all teams, including the name of the team, the users, and the projects associated with the team. You can edit or delete a team. To create a new team, select the plus. Enter in the name of the team, the users in your team, and the projects associated with your team.